this book review, the book I chose is Other People's Children by Lisa Del Pitt. The author presents a passionate plea for American educators to recognize the inconsistencies and unfair practice that penalize students of the color from low-income communities. In doing so, she exposes the bias and prejudice associated with the culture of power and relates how the silent dialogue of African American teachers perpetuate the problems in United States schools. As stated in the book review, their intentions are to educate the teachers to ensure equal opportunity in classrooms and learning, no matter if they share cultural differences. Also, the change of the system to incorporate programs that allow diversity and help students embrace their culture. Strengths in this book come from her personal experience that she's faced in a classroom as a low-income background. My opinion in this is that she did a well job bringing up the problems that children with low-income background and cultures go through, and help me recognize how I can reevaluate my teachings in a classroom. And then this is my reflection. Thank you.